Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a quick Christmas card using the Merry Bold and Bright Designer Series paper, along with the Festive Fun stamp set. And we're going to be using a couple of dies from the Stitched Shapes dies and the Deckled Circles dies, okay? But of course, before we get started on our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have here our Warm Wishes Paper Pumpkin Kit for November. You have until the 10th of November to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 8 boxes. And there is an add-on available of 20 card bases with coordinating envelopes for $14. And the ordering number for that item is 163985. And you do have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in order to get the add-ons. Okay, next up we have our host code for November. This is the code I like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on any of your free perks, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's go ahead and get started on this card. So first up, we have some thick basic white that is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to take our bone folder and just burnish down this score line. Okay. Next, we have some paper, some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4 with a shaded spruce layer that is 3 3/4 by 5. And we're going to glue these. Ooh. First, I'm going to get some Designer Series paper that is cut at, I believe, this is, what is this? Probably a 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to cut it down to 3.5. So let me put the glue on here because it's a little longer. Got some glue on my desk surface, but that's okay. That is okay. So we're just going to prepare this is for the inside of our card. Is that going to stamp on the inside? I can. No, I think I'm going to leave it blank. Let me go ahead and take my paper snips and trim that Designer Series paper down and go ahead and layer this onto its shaded spruce layer. Just like that. And we can go ahead and put this on the inside of our card, and we'll have that portion done. Okay, so now we can start on the outside of our card. So I am going to begin by stamping. So I've done all of the die cutting ahead of time. So I used the stitch circles, and for the stitch circles, I used the 3rd stitch circle if you count from the inside out. This is number 3. It's about 1 3/4 inches. So I'm going to take our sentiment, a little something for you with lots of love from me, and we're going to stamp that in Poppy Parade onto our circle. I die cut too, just in case I messed up. So I'm going to pull this. I might be out of frame a little bit because I need to make sure I'm getting on the circle. So let me just pull it down so I can see. Hopefully I stayed in frame, but I like that, so that's pretty good. And that's basically the only stamping we're going to do. So then I have die cut some Poppy Parade using the Deckled Circles dies. And this is the 3rd one of the Deckled Circles counting from the inside. And we're going to glue these two together. Come on. And it's just going to be the tiniest of border around this white circle. But it will stand out. Then I have another stitched circle in the shaded spruce, and this is the 4th one, And it's about 2 7/8 of an inch. So we're going to just plop that right on there. Just like that. Okay. So we're going to set this to the side. We have that done. Move that. So now we have more shaded spruce. This is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then we have some designer series paper that is 3 3/4 by 5, and we're going to layer these together. Man, you guys know I love stripes. It's killing me to cover this side up, but I have more. It's just, oh my gosh, those stripes are so pretty. I love the stripes. So this is just going to have the tiniest border of shaded spruce around it. Okay. Then we have some designer series paper that is 1 by 4 1/8, and then some shaded spruce that is 1 1/8 by 4 1/4, and we're going to layer those together. I love this paper. It's very versatile because you can use it for Christmas, or you can flip it over, and the other side is basically any occasion that you want it to be. Okay, then we have the stitched shapes with the squares, and this is the largest square for the designer series paper. And I think this is I couldn't get the correct measurement because it's like in between. So if you're gonna not use the dies, it's about 2 3/4. So that would make this like 2 7/8, this shaded spruce. But I just kind of cut it with the paper on there. So these measurements are not true. But if you're gonna just cut a square, I would do 2 3/8, and then the layering mat 2 7/8. So let's see if we can get that to go on there like we want it. Okay, so now we have all of our pieces layered up. Let's go ahead and start putting things onto our card base. So we're just gonna, ooh, that was a lot. Gonna put this onto the front of our card base. Just like this. No, no, no. I keep doing this. Let me get my silicone mat. I want to add this on first. Okay. Because we're going to have to cut some of this off. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Because I need this on there as well. Oh. So I'm going to put this about right there. Trying to make it even. Okay. And then we're going to put our trees. And I'm trying to make the trees go straight up and down. And we want them about right there. Okay. Goodness gracious. Aye. And the thing about this, I just want to cut the square, not the one with the fa la 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 la. Lordy. So let's put some more glue on the back of here. And hopefully this will sit right on the front of our card. Good night. Because that fa la 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 layer is going across the entirety of the front of the card. Okay. So we got it. We got it. Okay. Now I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're going to pop up our sentiment layer on here. And then we're going to add our bling. So let's just get this on here. You guys, I create these card sketches, cut everything out, and then I don't always get around to putting the card together right then. That's why I forget sometimes what I'm supposed to do first. So let's see. Do I want this? I think I want it about right here. About right there, like that. And now we are going to use the iridescent adhesive-backed discs to embellish our card. If I can find where it opens. There it is. Come out, come out. Okay, so what colors do we want to use? We have red, yellow, and green. So let's use some Poppy Parade and Granny Apple, I guess. We can use a couple. A couple of these. I think I'm gonna put that right there. But I also want some of the Poppy Parade on here. So we'll get some Poppy Parade. And we'll put it right there. And one more. Let's see. What color do I want the other one to be? Let's do Poppy Parade again. And we'll put that one. Just put another one in here somewhere. Somewhere. Let's see. Let's put it there. Why not? You guys, I tell you, that's the hardest part of me designing these cards, is knowing where to put my bling. But this is our card. I need to put some more glue right here. It's not sticking, but that's our card. Isn't it cute? I don't know where the camera is. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.